the whole world to know that I only have eyes for you. I want the whole world to know that I only have eyes for you. For I don't want nobody to have my love but you. I could be home having dinner or strolling down the avenue. Oh, I could be home having dinner or strolling down the avenue. If my love comes down, I keep running smack that to you. Yes, I do. Oh! When it comes to you, baby, I'm just a natural goof. When it comes to you, baby, I'm just a natural goof. 'Cause I don't want nobody to have my love but you. Some men grab the first thing that passes by. Others like a chick for the twinkle in her eye. Some like a girl cause she's nice and kind. But I love you, baby, cause you're mine, oh mine, oh yeah. I only have eyes for you. That's right. Whoa, yeah. I only have eyes for you. Yes, I do. 'Cause I don't want nobody to have my love but you, baby. Woo!
This dance is called Eyes for You. It is a full 48 count improver level line dance, choreographed by Thompson, Szymanski. Weight is on the left foot. 7, 8. Right side chassé, rock back on the left, recover right. Left side toe strut, right cross toe strut. Facing 12 o'clock. Left side chassé. Rock back on the right, recover left. 2 right kicking crosses. Facing 12 o'clock. Step the right foot to the side, step left behind right. Make a quarter turn right, stepping forward on the right foot. Hitch left foot. Now facing 3 o'clock. Step back, left, right, left, touch. Out, hold. Right, left, hold. In, hold. Right, left, hold. Out, right, left. In, right, left. Out, right, left. In, right, left. Take the weight onto the left foot. Step, lock, step, brush to the right diagonal. Step, lock, step, brush, then step, lock, step, brush to the left diagonal. Step forward on the right foot, hold for the next count. Make a half turn pivot left. Hold for the next count. Now facing 9 o'clock. Right jazz box cross. Cross right over left, step back left, step the right, right side, cross left over right. Ready to start the dance again. The dance with the counts. Weights on the left, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, hold 2. And 3, hold 4. And 5 and 6. And 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2. 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. On the last part of the dance, you'll dance up to the step, lock, step, brush, and ta-da, to finish the dance. There are no tags or restarts in this dance. Thank you for watching.